the Slayers. My name is Kirita the Slayer, and you can call me just Slayer. So if oh, it's raining. You should watch the last video. If you don't know what happened. Okay, I got a few tools, guys, and then I'm gonna eat this apple. Just I'm gonna go to. Okay, I forgot. Today I'm gonna oh, and I forgot. One of my friends. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Nobody. I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. Cause one of my friends actually asked me a name. He didn't comment on the video. He asked me. So yeah, and let's see. I'm gonna put this in my love garden. Katie, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Hope you had a great time. But now, guess what the name is? Guess in the comments. I'm gonna give you time. I'm gonna give you time. Are you done? Okay. So it is Landa Slayer. Oh. So yeah. So I'm gonna try to how should I explain? I'm gonna try to do the, oh, can't fit. Guys, I'm sorry if you cannot see barely anything, but yep. You can't see, it's actually raining. So, do I have all the items? Yeah, I have enough. Okay, 1, 2. I'm gonna do 2 shells, just in case. Look. I've been singing this for a long time. I'm not gonna punch Doug because if I punch her, he'll get mad at me, and I do not want the dog to get mad at me. Well, do you know Minecraft? I'll just give a quick through of Minecraft wolves. If you punch the wolves, they'll get mad and they'll try to hurt you, basically. But you can tame them. You can tame them, so then they fight for you. So yeah. I'm gonna try to do this as much as I can. I'm gonna chop this tree down too. Yeah. I'm sorry if you cannot see anything. If I'm gonna check out this video after it's done. I'm gonna try to 60. Oh, okay. Because I'm probably gonna need some of this dirt. Probably gonna need some of it. That was so close. Dog, you just made me incredible. Incredible Slayer. Okay, I'm gonna try to okay. Yeah. I'm doing this because I don't. Okay, everything's alright. Because actually, I was going to make a video, but I didn't actually do it. So yeah, But I was actually blown up by a creeper. That's why you see, like, oh, there's a kind of like a hole thingy. Hole. Oh, it's raining. I'm gonna try to, like, put away the rain. I need to do something like so, like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do even more, just because, actually, yep, I'm gonna do it this much. Yep, this much. I'm sorry it's really dark though. Cause like, I was trying to like fix like from last time, but okay. I'm gonna like do it until like my second shell breaks. Well, actually, I'm gonna like I'm gonna turn it into like it's raining. I think I should call this video the non-stop raining episode, cause like it's like the rain's non-stopping. Okay. By the way, this is like tomorrow of it. I'm going to fill in all the holes of this, so like it looks nice and like really nice. I'm gonna finish every single dot. Well, not every single one, but that's not actually a whole lot. That's my cobblestone mine. So if I need cobblestone, I can just get in there, and I can just mine a few, and then I'll probably just have enough cobblestone to make tools. I might not really have. Oh, was that stack? It's dark. I'm really. Wait. Yep, it is. I'm going to go to sleep. It's time to go to sleep now. I'm sorry if you hear a few voices. Yep, now it's pretty much better. I'm gonna like erase this because no, I do not want this. I want like a bone, a few bones. Wait, I actually got an arrow from. Yes, the jungle. Yes, yes. I'm going to go to the jungle. The jungle has cocoa beans. Yes, yes. Perfect. This is the most perfect thing ever. I'm jumping so much because I'm so happy. Village. This is a village. I slow down when I eat. Okay, yes, 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 yes. I have no idea what. I'm just gonna use my bare hands to like harvest this. I'm going to try to get every nice person does this. he replants the seeds. Since I'm kind of using their crops, I'm going to use their seeds. And I'm wondering why didn't it grow? Because I've been playing this for a long time, pretty sure. Oh. So, yeah. Carrots, maybe, or carrots. Yes, carrots. 4 carrots. Pretty good. Ooh. I'm going to check. I hope this is here. I hope this village has it. Because if it doesn't, I'm going to be so sad. I'm going to probably not destroy it, but I'm going to be really sad. Come on. Be the best villager in the world. And give me something useful. Come on. No. No. Not useful. Not useful, except for food. It's a good... I'm going on this hill now. Wait a minute. Let me see all your trades. Emerald for 8 trade. Worst trade ever. Worst. Well, not... Actually, I saw even worse trades. Bad. That is great trade. Good one, but not as... Seriously! Some of these trades are so bad. Emeralds are rare, really badly rare. Why do you want? Oh my gosh. I need to fix myself. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm like really quiet, but I'm just gonna go into the jungle. Wait a minute, I'm gonna check. There's an achievement in this game I never even knew about. Have you ever wondered how much biomes are there? Well, now you know. There is 23 biomes. Literally 23. I'm cutting this. By the way, if you love nature, I'm sorry. Especially the people that are my friends or whatever. But guys, if I do not have Facebook or those types, but if you want me to check out something and you drew something, just well, basically, I'm thinking of a way like you can send stuff to me. You can like, I'm sorry if you love my channel, but you do not have a YouTube channel. Well, I'm not sure if there's a different way. Just tell me your YouTube channel. Well, I'll just say I have something to show you, and then I might go. No, I'm gonna fix that maybe later. I might fix that later. Okay, I am going to be starting to go. How much time is there? Ooh,